We'll guide you through how to crop a video in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Drag your video clip onto the timeline if it's not already there. Now, go to the top right of the interface and click on the Inspector panel. If you don't see it, make sure it's enabled in the View menu. Once the inspector is open, scroll down until you find the Transform section. Here, you'll see options for cropping on the left, right, top, and bottom. To crop your video, adjust these parameters by clicking and dragging the sliders or by entering specific values for precision. If you want to maintain the aspect ratio, you can hold the Shift key while adjusting. This will ensure your crop is proportional. After cropping, you might need to reposition your video to center it properly. You can do this in the Position section just above the crop settings. Simply adjust the X and Y values until your video looks just right. Keep an eye on the preview window to see your changes in real time. Once you're happy with the crop, remember to save your project. If you're looking to export, go to the Deliver page, set your export settings, and render your video. Cropping can help eliminate unwanted parts of a video or focus on specific details, making your final product much more polished. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.